Thinking of switching to Verizon but want to keep your phone number? No worries. It's a simple process. Here's how to do it step by step. First, make sure you have your account number and PIN from your current carrier. These are crucial for the porting process. Now, head over to the Verizon website or open the Verizon app, select the plan you want, and choose your device. If you are upgrading, once you have picked your plan and phone, you'll be asked if you want to transfer your old number. Choose yes. Next, enter your current phone number, account number, and PIN from your previous carrier. This allows Verizon to pull your number over. Verizon will check with their current carrier to make sure everything matches and that you are eligible for a transfer. This process usually takes just a few minutes, but sometimes it can take up to 2 to 3 days, depending on your old carrier. After Verizon confirms everything, your number will be ported over and activated on your new Verizon device. You can still use your old phone until the transfer is complete. A quick tip, make sure you don't cancel your old carrier account before this number is fully ported to Verizon, because if it doesn't get ported, you're stuck up in a big limbo. And that's it. Now you're all set to use your old number with Verizon's network. One more tips on making the switch smooth and easy? Like, follow, and share for more simple how-to guides.